Hey my darlings, welcome back to my channel. My name is Viviana. If you're new here, welcome to the family. Today I'm going to show you how to do the Tiana Taylor's inspired locks. I was so excited. I waited for this moment for so long. Every time I look at her pictures, I was like, oh my god, I want her hair. Oh my god, I want her hair. So finally I got to do them and I'm feeling amazing. I am so excited to share this technique with you. I'm sure you're gonna love it. You're gonna look like a goddess. You're gonna look like an African queen and everything. So I'm going to show you how you can achieve this look. So the first thing, I washed my hair and I conditioned my hair, and now I just combed it. And then I'm not going to use a comb to part my hair because I don't want the lines to be neat, so the parting to be neat. So what I'm going to do, I just use my fingers to part my hair, and I'm just gonna estimate the size that I want. I'm starting a little bit with a 3-strand twist as base, and then the next thing that I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna finish my braid with a 2-strand twist so that it's easy when I'm coming to unravel the hair later when I'm tired with the braids. So this is me looking so goody with my hair, with my base. And then the next thing I'm going to do, I'm going to show you exactly which kind of hair I am going to do. So which kind of hair I'm gonna use. I'm gonna use this weave. You can find any hair that looks exactly like this because we are in different places, so I don't know which kind of brand you're gonna get. This is called Elsa, and the other one I showed you, it's called Hellow. It's a weave, and this is just a human hair bundle. So I'm just cutting it into pieces. So I'm mixing different textures, so you can just rewind just to see whatever I'm using in this video. And then I'm using, this is selfie, this is curly but it's very soft, and this is curly but it's not soft. It's a bit kinkish but not super kinkish. It's just like in between, like expression, this one. The other one is very soft, this one. So I'm going to use a half of this one. I'm separating it, so I'll use a half piece of this one and one of the piece from the other one I showed you, that I can just compare it to expression hair, which is like very famous. I see a lot of YouTubers using. So I'm using this number 1 for the one that looks like expression, and the softer one I'm using it number 33. I just want a little bit of color because I want them to look natural. I want them to look a bit, odd and not so serious. You get what I'm saying? So, and then I'm using the curly one, that one, this is longer than all of the ones I use. So it's longer. You can see it's gonna be longer than the rest of them. So I have 3 different hair there. I'm going to insert them with a crochet needle on my natural hair like that. So after that, I will make one side shorter and the other one longer. So the longer one, I'm going to take my natural hair, which I braided as a base, that one, as you can see hanging. So I will attach it to the longer side. So I will hold them with my left hand. So I'm pulling, so to make one shorter, one long. So the longer one combined with my natural hair, you see, I am showing you, yes, make it shorter. So the longer one, I'm combining it with my natural hair, and then the shorter one, I use it to wrap around. This is not, don't take it too serious, don't make it so tight. That's what I mean. Just easy, go easy, and don't leave some gaps. Just wrap it close to each other, not so tight and not so loose, and you keep going, my loves. It's going to turn up so beautifully natural. So, and then I'm just rubbing it with my hand, my fingers, just to spread the hair, as you can see me do. So I'm gonna keep doing that, and then I'm going to attach the weave, the piece of the human hair weave that I did, and I'm attaching it like that with a crochet needle, and I'm pulling it inside like that. Then I will pull it, so to make the bad part to be in between the braid. I don't know what the track of it be in between, and then I'll hold that one with my lips like that, or you can use a clip. I don't know, however you can just pin it not to be on the way. And then I'll continue. When your wrapping hair finishes, you add a little more, but don't add a lot of hair, just to have that similarities. And I want my ends to be thin, a little bit thin. So the hair that I'm adding, it's a little less than the one I used when I was starting. So I keep wrapping. If you want some color, you can add both the colored one and the black one. So I keep wrapping and wrapping. You can see I have some curls popping up there. And yes, so we continue wrapping, and then I take out a little bit of hair also, so that I have the flyovers, more flyover. I can say I have like 2 to 3 flyovers left outside and outside my lock. Yeah, and the third one or the fourth one will be the last curl in the end, in the tail. So I keep wrapping until I reach the end of my lock, and then I will show you what I'm going to do to just close off. We don't need glue, you don't need anything. I will show you what you're gonna do. If you haven't subscribed, please subscribe and join the family. I'm sorry I'm not so consistent, but I'll try to be consistent to post regularly, just that I'm just working here and there, you know, the hustle of life every day. Comment down below where are you watching from. I would like to know you. Yes, so I am going to wrap until I am satisfied, until you're satisfied with the length, also until the other hair is finished and you're left with the curly only, the curl one only in the end. So that's where you end wrapping your hair. And when you're wrapping, the last piece that will remain, like that piece, small piece that will remain, so that to make it secure and tight, you pull it through inside your lock. So I will push through inside my lock and go back and forth, in and out, just to lock everything in and to make it more secure and more stable. So yeah, you don't need glue, you don't need to use a lighter to you know. And then I'm taking that brush just to comb my lock. Combing is what will make your lock rough, is what will give your lock that texture, that amazingness. So comb your locks, don't be afraid, and don't use a heavy hand, just lightly comb lightly. See, they look like they're worn out, but they look worn out in an amazing way. Cut anything unnecessary that you don't want to have. You can see they don't look neat, but they look amazing. And trust me, they're very, very light. So when you choose your extension, choose the one that is very lightweight. Yes, so I'm combing. I'm showing you that you use a light hand, not too hard. Okay, so you go lightly, you comb until you're satisfied with the texture. My friend, this hair is giving life. This hair is giving amazingness. It's giving, you know, goddess look and everything. Trust me, I'm so excited. I love this. This is one of the styles I'll repeat every time I need to look amazing. Then I use mousse just to apply, to make it more neat and everything, to make it amazing, to make it soft. Oh my god, it's all about the texture. I laid my baby hairs. I gave myself a treat of a makeup look that is going with this. So I'm combing the front. I want it to be as rough as it could be, you know. I want it to give me that, you know. Yeah, so I'm continuing. I'm just combing. You can see the white stuff is just the gel I use, but it doesn't matter as long as we have the amazingness. And I got this what is it called? Anyway, it doesn't matter. I wanted to talk about what I'm wearing. I got it on AliExpress for $5, I think, and I love it. It's a one piece, so, and a cheetah print. It just goes amazingly with my hair. You guys, look at this amazingness. And finally I got to use my bling bling earring and my bling bling necklace, and I am feeling myself. You can tell from my poses, you can tell from everything that I'm doing here. It's like, oh, this girl, she's feeling herself, and the dance and everything. Thank you so much for watching. Comment down below where are you watching from. Comment down below if you like this and you'll try this. Hello.